So good morning again. So this is the next video. So in this video, I will explain how to sketching to create round gear teeth. So I will open this. Yeah, I will open the previous hollow cylinder. So this is my hollow cylinder. Then I will right click here. So I will click create sketch, then click here. Then I will draw a circle here. So here, somewhere here, I will draw a circle here. Then change the diameter to 4. Then I will apply this, then I will apply this horizontal vertical, click this constraint, horizontal vertical, and I will click this point and this click this point. You can see this will align in this y-axis. Then I will select these 2 points. Okay, so 1 minute. Yeah. So I will use the shortcut key D, then select these 2 and then change the dimension. So I will change this dimension into 25.4 millimeter. So 25.4 millimeter. Okay. Then I will use this circular pattern option and I will select this sketch, then center point, and then I will enter this quantity as 6. Now you can see 6 circles. So this is called a circular pattern. So the number of quantities 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then click OK. Then finish sketch. Okay. Then go to modify, press pull, select this one. Sorry. Cancel. Go to modify, press pull, select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this extrusion, this extrusion distance as 6 millimeter. So I will enter this distance as 6 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, now you can see okay. So practice this. So in this video, you have created a smaller circle with a 4 mm diameter using center point and diameter option. Then apply the horizontal vertical constraint and add the dimension to that circle, to that 4 mm circle, and control its size and its position. Then after that, you have applied a circular pattern of 6 circles from the original circle. So you have created 6 circles from the original circle. And finally, you have to convert those circles in the circular pattern into 3D geometry. Okay, so do this. Thank you.